Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to mute your Casio AE-1200WH, so the Casio Royale. So what we want to do is to remove the beeping sound that our buttons make. And what we want to do while in our home screen, so where we have the time and date displayed, is to press and hold the mode button. We are going to keep it pressed for around 3 to 5 seconds, and as you can see right now in this upper top right corner digital display we have mute written. So now if I press the mode button in order to toggle between the different features of the watch, you won't hear that beeping sound. In order to get back to the beeping sound, I'm going to press and hold the mode button once again. I'm going to hear that beeping sound, and now you can see that the mute has disappeared. So now I can toggle between the options, and as you can see, the beeping sound is on. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio Royale, so the AE-1200WH, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide, as well to a video where I'm going to show you how to customize, so how to mod this particular model. And I also have this exact model for sale on our website vintageradar.com. Make sure to check it out, link in the description box below. We also have thousands of vintage watches for sale, so make sure to check them out. Once again, check out the full guide, the modding video, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow. Let me know your thoughts, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.